the balloons, by the way. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're so sweet.
Hello.
You squirming? Say hello.
You're so mean, Josh. She's cold.
Well, Dan too. Dan was ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Man.
Anyways, that's the baby.
Yeah.
Hey Dan,
Yes.
this little girl is totally gonna pwn your kids in any video game. I just wanted to get that out there. She got the head start. You guys had that. You guys had the head start, but you gave it up.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Not yet, unfortunately. Wow.
I'm gonna go in the
So,
other.
I mean, I know it was scary when you were pregnant at first, but is it kind of like, I don't know, is the awe like overpowering the fear at all? Are you still scared? Or?
I'd say the awe
Hi,
overpowered
Joni.
the fear a while ago. I mean, there's still, you know, there's still the nervousness of, can we, I mean, first, you know, can we financially support a child, and then all the fear of pregnancy and delivery and all that kind of stuff. But it's totally worth it.
She's wide awake now.
I'm done. It's awesome.
So, are you going back to work, or how's that going to happen?
I'll be at work tomorrow. Just kidding. That's in January.
Wow.
I'll be going back in January. But I have the whole rest of the semester off.
That's good.
Yeah.